to Idaho right now. And we just had a really tragic experience. There was this flock of birds.
It wasn't my fault.
There was this flock of birds right next to the side of the road, and they just flew out in front of us, and Tony hit 2 of them.
They're just little magpies, just the little, like, cute little birds.
But now, but we're both a little sad now. As I'm laughing. I really am sad, I promise.
I've never killed an animal in the car before.
In the car before?
Oh, these ones.
You have to edit out all the times that I fail, okay?
But I'm gonna leave that in. You got it.
Yeah.
And I didn't have to edit anything out.
Oh, that's what they think.
Too late.
Too late.
Oh, great. Oh, it hurts.
So what did Mom say? What did she say, Jordy?
You eat poop.
You know, I hear that. Have you ever heard